Are you tired of the new Roblox and Roblox Studio logo? Don't worry, I got you. In this video, it will be very simple, and I'll show you how to change it back to the old icon we all know and love, or even change it to whatever icon you want. So sit back, relax, and I'll show you this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, if you want to change it to something like these logos right here, then I'll show you how to do it. So first, you're gonna want to open Google. You're gonna want to search up Roblox icon. Then you go on to transparent. Then you're gonna find one. Make sure one is not that tiny. Okay. So for this tutorial, I'll probably do. I will probably do this one. Next thing you want to do, you're going to go to PNG to ICO converter. Then you're going to click here. Then you're going to click, then you're going to find the logo that you're looking for. Then you want to click convert. Alright, so then you're going to get it. It's downloaded. You're going to want to go to the Roblox player. You want to right click it, and you want to go to properties. So once you get it from here, you can find all of this. Now you're going to focus on the thing called change icon. So make sure you click it, click browse, and then you're going to want to find the logo that you just got. So I'm going to open it, click OK, click apply. And as you can see, it worked, but and it's kind of stretched, but you can always change it to anything that you want. Then you can also do it to, this also works for every single one that you just got. So if this video helped you out, consider like and subscribing, and I'll see you in next video or live stream. Goodbye.